Once upon a time, in a world filled with magic and wonder, there lived a young girl named Elizabeth. Elizabeth had always dreamed of exploring distant lands and discovering hidden secrets, but little did she know that her most extraordinary adventure was about to begin. Elizabeth's father had always told her enchanting stories about the Rainbow Fairy, who lived at the end of every rainbow and granted wishes to those who believed. Elizabeth had been eagerly waiting to see a rainbow and meet the fairy, and her dreams finally came true one sunny afternoon. As Elizabeth was playing in her backyard, she noticed a shimmering rainbow forming in the sky. Mesmerized by its beauty, Elizabeth couldn't help but remember her dad's stories. With a curious heart and a sense of wonder, she decided to follow the rainbow wherever it may go. As Elizabeth followed the rainbow's vibrant hues, she felt a strange sensation wash over her. Suddenly, she found herself surrounded by swirling colors and sparkling light. Before she knew it, she had crossed over into a magical realm known as Rainbow Fairyland. In Rainbow Fairyland, everything was bathed in a kaleidoscope of colors, from the shimmering trees to the dancing flowers. Elizabeth's eyes widened with wonder as she took in the breathtaking sights around her. "Welcome, Elizabeth!" chimed a chorus of voices. Elizabeth turned to see a group of radiant fairies, each one glowing with a different color of the rainbow. They fluttered around her, their wings shimmering like precious gems. "We are the Rainbow Fairies," they explained, "and you, Elizabeth, are our honored guest." Elizabeth's heart fluttered with excitement as the fairies led her through their enchanted land. Along the way, they taught her about the magic of light and the wonders of the visible spectrum. "You see, Elizabeth," explained the red fairy, "light is made up of different colors, each with its own wavelength. When sunlight passes through raindrops, it creates a rainbow by refracting or bending the light." As they journeyed deeper into Rainbow Fairyland, Elizabeth learned about the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. She also told Elizabeth how each color played a special role in the world. As Elizabeth journeyed through the colorful realm of Rainbow Fairyland, her eyes widened with wonder at the vibrant hues surrounding her. She listened intently as the Rainbow Fairies shared their knowledge of light and color, but little did she know that there was even more to discover. In the midst of their discussion, an owl chimed in to share another fascinating fact with Elizabeth. "Humans like you, Elizabeth, can only see visible light," the owl said. "But there are other forms of light, such as infrared and ultraviolet, that exist all around us. You just can't see them with your eyes." The wise owl said, "Did you know, Elizabeth, that some creatures have even more remarkable vision than humans?" Elizabeth turned to see a wise old owl perched on a nearby branch, its eyes gleaming with intelligence. The owl explained that some animals, known as tetrachromats, possess 4 types of cone receptors in their eyes, allowing them to perceive colors in ways that humans cannot. Tetrachromats, such as certain birds, turtles, and fish, have 4-dimensional color vision. The owl continued, "This means they can see ultraviolet wavelengths perfectly well, opening up a whole new world of colors and patterns that are invisible to humans." Elizabeth's mind buzzed with excitement as she listened to the owl's words. She imagined what it must be like to see the world through the eyes of a tetrachromat, to witness the beauty of ultraviolet light and experience colors beyond imagination. As she bid farewell to the Rainbow Fairies and their colorful realm, Elizabeth carried with her a newfound appreciation for the diversity of vision in the animal kingdom. and as she returned home, she couldn't help but marvel at the wonders of the world and the endless possibilities that lay beyond the rainbow's edge. But amidst her thoughts, Elizabeth's heart swelled with joy as she reflected on the incredible experience she had just encountered. She was filled with gratitude for having met the Rainbow Fairy, just as her dad had always told her she would. The memory of their encounter filled her with warmth and happiness, and she knew that she would cherish it forever. With a contented sigh, Elizabeth closed her eyes, drifting off to sleep with visions of rainbows and fairies dancing in her mind.